Hello students, good morning everyone. I hope you're all fine. Stay home, stay safe. Today we are continuing with our maths chapter number 4 subtraction. Now we are going to start subtraction of 5-digit numbers without borrowing. In this, one new place is there, that is 10,000 place. So the arrangement of the numbers is started from ones, that is units place, then tens place, then hundreds place, then thousands place, and then 10,000s place. Now we will see our next exercise on page number 26. So write down today's date and open your notebooks and write in clean and neat handwriting. This is our exercise on page number 26, subtract. So we'll see in first question the arrangement of the numbers is already given, and this is the subtraction in vertical arrangement. So let's start. Now see, our first question is subtract. The numbers for subtraction arrangement is already given for you, and you can see here this is the vertical arrangement for subtraction. You can see over here units, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000 is given. So our first number is 17,432 minus 14,321. So bigger number is on upper side and the smaller number is on lower side. So in first number 2 is in units place, 3 is in tens place, 4 is in hundreds place, 7 is in thousands place and 1 is in 10,000s place. And in second number 1 is in unit place, 2 is in tens place, 3 is in hundreds place, 4 is in thousands place and 1 is in 10,000s place. So here this 10,000s place is a new place for you. Now we will start our subtraction from units place. You know already the rules for the subtraction. So just starting from the units place, this is 2 minus 1. So you know that 2 minus 1 is 1. So write down 1 in units place. In tens place 3 minus 2. So 3 minus 2 is 1. So write down 1 in tens place. In hundreds place 4 minus 3. So 4 minus 3 is also 1. So write down 1 in hundreds place. In thousands place 7 minus 4. So see 7 minus 4 is 3. So write down 3 in thousands place. And in 10,000s place 1 minus 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. So write down 0 in 10,000s place. Now see our second question is 34,567 minus 13,256. 7 is in units place, 6 is in tens place, 5 is in hundreds place, 4 is in thousands place and 3 is in 10,000s place. And second number 6 is in units place, 5 is in tens place, 2 is in hundreds place, 3 is in thousands place and 1 is in 10,000s place. So we will start our subtraction from unit place. So 7 minus 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. So write down 1 in units place. In tens place 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5 is 1. So write down 1 in tens place. In hundreds place we will subtract 2 from 5. Means 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 is how many? 3. So write down 3 in hundreds place. In thousands place 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. So write down 1 in thousands place. And in 10,000s place 3 minus 1 is 2. So write down 2 in 10,000s place. So our answer is 21,311. Moving to the next third question. Our number is 59,325 minus 37,124. So you can see here 5 is in units place, 2 is in tens place, 3 is in hundreds place, 9 is in thousands place and 5 is in 10,000s place. And in second number 4 is in units place, 2 is in tens place, 1 is in hundreds place, 7 is in thousands place, 3 is in 10,000s place. So we'll start our subtraction from units place. 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. So write down 1 in units place. 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2 is how many? 0. So write down 0 in tens place. In hundreds place 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. So write down 2 in hundreds place. Now in thousands place 9 minus 7. 9 minus 7 is 2. So write down 2 in thousands place again. And in 10,000s place we have to subtract 3 from 5. So 5 minus 3 is 2. So write down 2 in 10,000s place. So our answer is 22,201. Now next question is 38,976 minus 27,405. So again we'll start our subtraction from units place. 6 minus 5 is 1. 7 minus 0. So you know that when 0 is subtracted from any number, the answer will be that number itself. So 7 minus 0 is 7 itself. 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4 is 5. So write down 5 in hundreds place. In thousands place 8 minus 7. 8 minus 7 is 1. So write down 1 in thousands place. And in 10,000s place 3 minus 2 is 1. So write down 1 in thousands place. 10,000s place. So our answer is 11,571. Now our question number 2 is arrange vertically and subtract. So we will arrange our given question vertically and then we will subtract. So see the first question, 13,908 minus 2,705. So this number we will arrange first place wise and vertically arrangement. So first write down units, tens, hundreds, thousand and 10,000. And our first number is 13,908. To start your writing your number from units place. So first write down 8 in units place, then 0 in tens place, then 9 in hundreds place, then 3 is in thousands place and 1 in 10,000s place. Minus 2,705. So write down first 5 in units place, then 0 in tens place, 7 in hundreds place and then 2 is in thousands place. So it is easier to do the subtraction for you. Now see 8 minus, start your subtraction from units place. 8 minus 5 is 3. So write down 3 in units place. In tens place 0 minus 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. So write down 0 in tens place. In hundreds place 9 minus 7 is 2. So write down 2 in hundreds place. In thousands place 3 minus 2 is 1. So write down 1 in thousands place. And in 10,000s place only 1 is there. So write down directly 1 in 10,000s place. So our answer is 11,203. Now second question is given 23,457 minus 346. So again arrange your number place wise. First write down 23,457 minus 346. So start your subtraction from units place. The 7 write bigger number first and then minus, write down the smaller number under that. So first start subtract from units place. 7 minus 6 is 1. So write down 1 in units place. In tens place 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4 is also 1. So write down 1 in tens place. In hundreds place 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 is also 1. Write down 1 in hundreds place. And in thousands place only 3 is there. So write down directly 3 in thousands place. And in 10,000s place also only 2 is there. So write down directly 2 in 10,000s place. So our answer is 23,111. Our third sum 85,679 minus 74,056. Again we will arrange our both the numbers place wise, units, tens, hundreds, thousand and 10,000. First we will write down 85,679 minus, then we will write 74,056. Write your number from units place and start your subtraction from units place only. So 9 minus 6. 9 minus 6 is 3. So write down 3 in units place. In tens place 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5 is 2. So write down 2 in tens place. In hundreds place 6 minus 0. So you know that from any number 0 will be subtracted. The answer will be that number itself. So write down 6 is in hundreds place. And in thousands place 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. So write down 1 in thousands place. And in 10,000s place 8 minus 7. 8 minus 7 is 1. So write down 1 in 10,000s place. Now see our fourth question, 69,876 minus 54,321. So we'll arrange our number place wise. First we will write 69,876 minus 54,321. Start your subtraction from units place. 6 minus 1 is 5. 7 minus 2 is also 5. So write down 5 in tens place. In hundreds place, 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3 is also 5. So write down 5 in hundreds place. In thousands place, 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4 is 5. So write down 5 in thousands place. And in 10,000s place, 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5 is 1. So write down 1 in 10,000s place. So our answer is 15,555. So this is the last sum of our exercise. Thank you.